Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you my live trade what I do today, and also I'll be showing you what are the profit me and my clients were able to book today, and also I'll be telling you guys how you can make consistent profit like us. So to get all this information, make sure you watch this video till the end. So guys, yes, today is 9th of September and the pre-open market has been done. Okay, so this is how the pre-open market is looking right now. So the Nifty 50 is opening at 11,378.55, that is at 0.21% up, and advanced stocks are 39 and declined stocks are 11 and unchanged is 0 stocks. Okay, so let's see what are the stocks opening in the gap up in the pre-open market. That is the upper trend stocks are Infratel with 7.25% off. So hopefully there will be some news or something, that's why the stock is opening about like 7.25% up. Tata Steel with 5.10% up, and Tata Motors with 5.02% up. So a lot of stocks are happening like a gap up today, so 2%, 3%, 4%, as you guys can see. So let's see what are the stocks opening in the downtrend today. So yes, in downtrend we are not able to see that much of a big gap down. So BPCL with 2.81% down, HCL Tech with 2.36% down, and Infi with only 1% down. So this is how the pre-open market looks today. So in few minutes I'll tell you guys on what stock I'll be trading today and on what stock epic, and I'll be showing you my live trade what I do today. So stay tuned for that. So we'll see how the market will perform today. So guys, I have selected ICICI Bank to trade today. Okay, the stock what I'll be trading today is on ICICI Bank. I have not yet taken any entry yet. Once I take the entry either to the buy or sell, I'll update you guys. And as you guys can see, the market is now minus 0.71% downwards. Okay, so let's see how the stock will perform and how the trade will perform today. And before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, and also if you're new to stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money constantly, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I will be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. And also, if you're new to a stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you one consistent profit. So you can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also, these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you guys how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also, I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, by being said that, now let me show you the live trade what we did today. So guys, right now we are in a sell side of ICICI Bank. I have shorted this around 1368.80. Okay, so waiting for this stock to go down, so we'll be keeping almost like 0.5% target. Okay, and as you guys can see, even Nifty 50 is also minus 0.71% down, so even it is going down. So hope the ICICI Bank will also perform well. So we'll see. I'll at least try to catch 0.5% target and we'll see how it will perform. So guys, 367. So my 0.5% target is almost achieved. So I started it around 368.50. Now it has made exact low of almost 366.85, as you guys can see here. Okay, so we were on the short sell trade of ICICI Bank, and yes, as you guys can see, it is still continuing to go down, and this was the call what was given to my client also today. Yes, 366. And also, as you guys can see, even market is like 0.82% down now, so almost 0.10% down again. Okay, so this is how it has performed today. So my target is achieved almost. So guys, as you can see, the low made today by ICICI Bank is 362.05, and yes, I managed to exit, and this was the profit what we were able to book today in today's trade of ICICI Bank. So this is a profit which I booked, and if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from. And also, these are the client screenshot of profit what they have shared with me. 2,400 rupees profit, 1,530 rupees profit, 1,716 rupees profit, and 1,500 rupees profit. So these are the profit what the clients were able to book today in today's call of ICICI Bank. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. And also, you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also, every day I upload how much profit we made and on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to make consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you the next one very soon.